guys, welcome to a new home tour. This is probably the most amazing house I have ever done. Have a look at it. It's very deceiving in size. I'm going to take you right in and you can come and check it out with me. It is amazing. Welcome to another home tour. I have the most stunning Hampton inspired home for you guys, so let's step right in. The first thing I noticed when I walk right in is we've got a beautiful foyer with a sitting room, and I went, wow, it is so spacious, beautiful high ceilings. But I have to say the first thing that I noticed was the chevron French oak flooring. It is so stunning. On my right hand side here, I've got a beautiful, like a traditional drawing room. So this room could basically be turned into whatever you like, and you can use it also as a media room. This home was so beautifully decorated, just exactly my style. So I'm so excited to take you on this wonderful home tour. It is a huge home. It is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom home. So let's go and check it out. I am going to go straight into the mudroom / laundry area. I am such a lover of the idea of using mudrooms. Here in Australia, we're only just starting to get the idea to use it, and I think it's fabulous. Have a look at this laundry area. It is so spacious. Just the tiles that it used, everything is so stylish. I'm going to walk straight out now and just show you a beautiful powder room. Now, again, the first thing I noticed is the floors. I just love the tiles used in here. Such beautiful, elegant design. Vanity was gorgeous. I'm going to go, before I go into the living room, I'm going to do a quick left. Down the stairs is a little bit of a surprise, but I'm going to leave it right down to the end to show you what's in there. This is one of the guest bedrooms, lovely and spacious. So there was only one bedroom downstairs, and then you've got the main 4 bedrooms upstairs, which I'll show you later on. Have a look at all the wainscoting along the wall panels. It's just so beautiful. So here we are in the living area. Have a look at those coffered ceilings. There's so much to love in this home that I didn't really know what to talk about, because everywhere I looked, it was just stunning detail. Here on your right hand side, can you see what I'm seeing? That is the wine cellar, and it's got climate control. It's so gorgeous. I love the idea of how they've got glass, so you can actually look straight in from when you're sitting in the dining area. It's so unique. I really love it. Again, I'm just showcasing that beautiful stunning floors. You've got your fireplace just there on your left hand side. And then here you've got your beautiful living area. It's got open plan living, which you guys know by now that it's my favorite. I just love how everyone gathers all around in the same area. Now have a look over here. So in the kitchen area, you've just got your a little nook. So like a little study nook. Fantastic idea if you've got kids, or if you've got work to do and you just want to hang around where everybody else is. Now this kitchen is your beautiful white traditional shaker style kitchen. Can't go wrong with white kitchen, absolutely love it. You've got a stunning kitchen island, and I think they've used Calcutta marbles and bench tops. Also, you've got a beautiful fire clay farmhouse sink, and they've got brass Tupperware throughout as well. So beautiful. Just over here, there's an integrated fridge, which is fabulous. And then I'm going to go straight into the butler's pantry. And have a look at the size of this butler's pantry. Just so beautiful. And down the end there, you've got your laundry and mudroom, which you can see. Lots and lots of storage. So I'm just going to go around and I'm just going to head outside. But have a look at this natural stone feature wall. beautiful. It's just this house had such great features. You could really tell that a lot of love and effort has gone into this home. Just beautifully done. And you've also got a lovely saltwater pool as well. Around here you've got an outdoor kitchen, great for entertaining. And I love the custom windows. So they're sliding windows, but they've got that French style, which I love very much. And I mean, just take a look up there. Just look at those ceilings. I've got a weakness for covered ceilings. Just so beautiful. This home was just so spacious and so elegant. Again, I'm saying hello to that wonderful cellar, the winery, and I'm just going to speed this up because I'm going to take you straight upstairs. Now you've got a lovely casual living area here, and it's got a TV as well. So great to send the kids up here to watch TV. And then on your right hand side, I am actually entering the master bedroom. Beautifully done. The first thing you see when you walk in is that gorgeous window seat. Beautifully styled in your traditional coastal blue and whites, which are my favorite. So I'm going to walk into the lovely walk-in wardrobe. And then straight down the end, we've got the master bathroom. Now this bathroom, honestly, this video does not do it justice. Like I think they use like Calcato Oro marble, and the oro actually means gold in Italian. And you can't really see it through the video, but it had this beautiful golden flecks throughout the marble. Just gorgeous. And then again, you've got your beautiful brass golden tapware. Have a look at this shower. So luxurious. Just beautiful. Then you've got your bathtub there as well. So I'm going to head straight out. So this home had ducted air conditioning, fans, everything. So I'm going to walk straight down the corridor. So this home is actually currently on sale, guys. So if you're the lucky person to purchase this home, you would not be disappointed. The current owners actually have, I think, 3 children. So this is one of their kids' bedrooms, which is gorgeous. And it's got like a little study nook through there as well. Then I'm going to head back out. And this one is one of the boys' room as well. So they've all got walk-in cupboards, which is amazing. So much storage, which we always need as a family. Again, just beautifully decorated. This bedroom also had another study nook. So it's a really well thought out family home. And then I'm going to go into the guest bathroom. And I just loved this vanity. And look at the tiles. So don't know if it's coming through in the camera. It was more like a blue gray, just gorgeous. Beautiful lighting selection throughout the home as well. And then you've got your brass hardware again. And so you've got your shower and your bath as well. Now I'm going to head straight down the end into the last bedroom, but before I do that, have a look at this linen cupboard. Wow. Storage. Okay, so I'm going to walk into the last bedroom. Now this one is, they've actually got currently a teenager living in here, and if I was a teenager and I had a room like this, wow, boy would I consider myself lucky. It's beautiful. So she's got her own ensuite, and you've got a little study nook on your right hand side. You've got your walk-in wardrobe through there. Very, very spacious bedroom. All of the bedrooms are very spacious. and then you've got a beautiful window seat there as well. So yes, this home is huge, guys. I think it's around about 545 square meters, so massive. And I think if you're in the States, it's around about 5,877 square feet, if I got that correctly. Oh, and have a look at that chandelier. Amazing. Now I'm gonna head back downstairs because I'm gonna go back and show you what's down here. So when you just think this home is like there's no more to see, you're wrong, because there's another room. So this one here is actually used as an office, and it's so large. So basically you can have your own little business here away from everybody else. You've got a stunning little kitchenette, and you've got a toilet as well. So what more could you want? You can basically work from home. And then just to top it off and end it, you have a garage that can fit 6 cars. So there you go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tour, because this was one of my favorite homes that I've visited so far. So please keep a lookout on the next home tour. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy.